This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. I help women organize their lives for success so that they can enter and live in their well nourished era. Today's topic is all about the digital detox. It's funny enough, we're on the phone right now, but that's okay. I'm going to talk about a digital detox in a different way. So, just like our minds can be cluttered, our phones can be cluttered. So I want to teach you a quick win today that you can organize your mind by organizing your phone. I want you to think and also comment below, what is one thing you can declutter from your computer? Whether it's old pictures, maybe it's old texts from somebody that don't be texting no more. Maybe. No. Maybe it's just some stuff that you no longer need. Maybe you switched a position and you still have old stuff in there. Or it could just be, those random photos that are just taking up extra space. Little lipstick on a deep pillow. It's okay. It's okay. But you really want to be mindful of also decluttering your digital things, because like our minds and our physical spaces, when we do the act of selecting and deleting and clearing, that creates more space for the things you do want to come in. So this tip was super quick, super juicy. Comment below what's one thing you're going to declutter. And if you would like to be organized for success, I invite you to get my free ebook at the link in my bio so you can start living your organized for success life and enter that well-nourished era, girl. Make sure you are following me for the 90-day Well Nourished Era Series, where I am leading you through life organization, wellness planning, self-care, and self-acceptance, and all the things.